Hello and welcome to the St. Philip's College Library. I'm going to be showing you today how to access your library account online. The library account will let you access books that you've already checked out. You can renew them if you need to keep them longer. You can see if you have any fines. You can also see saved searches, holds, and other great information. So let's get started. So you're going to start probably at the St. Philip's College homepage. If you go over to the menu on the right-hand side, you will see Library as an option under that drop-down menu. Click on Library, and it takes you to the library homepage. If you scroll down to about halfway down the page, you see the catalog as an option. So click Catalog, and this takes you to the LibGuide that tells you how to access the catalog. Click on the next button and you can see the catalog option right here. This is the library catalog. Over here in this right corner, you can see it has my name. This is where if you're not signed in, you would see a sign in now option. So click on that, sign in. You'll go through the multi-factor authentication and it'll bring you to your account. If you click on the My Account option, you get several options. Select Checkout, and it will take you to books that you have currently checked out. I currently have one book checked out. If I was still reading it and it was coming up and being due in a couple of days, I could select the book, choose Renew Items, Renew, and it would give me a new due date. That way, if you're still reading it, you can extend your time and not incur any fees. And you can see here as well, if you have any requests, they would go here. If you had any fees accrued, they would be here. You can also see your old search activity if you do those searches while you're signed in. So if you're doing research, it's always a good idea to sign in, because then you can always go back and see exactly what you're searching. You can also see your profile, which will tell you what email address and phone number that you're using. So let's do a search. Let's come back to our catalog page, and we're going to search. So let's search for dog. It's an easy search term. So we have some options. And say this is the book that we want to check out. So we're going to choose Isle of Dogs. And we can see that it is available because it's got the green check mark by available. It's at the SPC campus instead of the Southwest campus. And if you are doing this search at home, you can always click Place Hold, and that you need a copy. You'll pick it up at Southwest campus. And you can put any information that you think we need to know and click Submit. This will put the book on hold. It'll send a notification to my staff. We'll pull the book off of the shelf and hold it for you at the circulation desk. And you can see that by going to My Account, Requests, and you can see that currently Isle of Dogs is on hold for me, waiting at the circulation desk. So there are a great many ways that you can use your profile in having options on what to do, especially like I was saying earlier, in research. So if you need to research, that's all for this video. We'll have more how-to videos that you can check out on our YouTube page at the library at SPC. Thanks and have a good day.